Good morning, friend. Welcome to the vlog. Happy belated Thanksgiving. This is the Thanksgiving vlog. I am leaving for the Bay Area. Will and I are both going tomorrow at like 11:30 in the morning. So today is our last full day to get our shit together and run any errands we gotta run. There's just a lot going on and we won't really be around to get it all done. So today's the day. I'm filming my YouTube video for the week. It is all about having a millionaire mindset. So I will link it here. If you haven't seen it yet, please go watch it. And besides that, I have a meeting with a client in like 45 minutes, so I'm kind of really trying to rush this because it usually takes me like 30-ish minutes to film. And then after the meeting, I have to go to the mall, pick up an order from Abercrombie because I don't want them to send it back. I refuse to pay for shipping, so if any brand that I'm shopping online tries to charge me for shipping, I'm like, oh no, I'll pick it up. I think Will has to run a couple errands too, so we're just gonna do them all together and then we will pack and get ready to go. Okay, let's film this video. Hopefully this won't be a repeat of the last time I vlogged, and I will actually film this once and be good. The last time I was out of focus and I died. Also, I changed up my audio setup. This is for my content creators, if any of y'all wanna know. This is my illegitimate boom mic. I just put my Rode on one of Will's C-stands and just clip it. I used to attach it to the camera, but it didn't really make a huge difference in the audio, and so now this is actually really close to me while I'm sitting there. It sounds really good. We are making improvements. What's up, friend? Welcome back to my channel. Great news, I've cracked the bottom. You have a unique voice and a unique perspective that's gonna shine through in anything that you do. It's like that Not a Surf song. Okay, our YouTube video has been filmed. We are doing great. I have 10 minutes until my meeting, and I'm just gonna check the footage really quick to make sure that I am in focus and that the exposure is okay. Please, prayers. Yes, we look good. Yay, I love it when it works out. This random post popped up on my Explore page about Vanderpump Rules, and I have to make a TikTok about it. This is my life. Also, I need to check into our flight. We are flying Southwest. We do Southwest every single time. I actually really love Southwest. I don't know if that's controversial, but I hate that you have to check in 24 hours ahead to get your seat because it is like the Hunger Games, and it's so hard to get an A seat, and I'm imagining that the flight's gonna be pretty crowded, so I'm gonna go for A, but I already have it like pulled up on my computer and ready to go because I'm so paranoid. It's in like 15 minutes. Why is Ariana Madix saying that she wouldn't be surprised if fans turned on her in this new season of Vanderpump Rules? Okay, so I'm a freaking idiot. As I was setting up for my self-tape, I realized that I was 4 minutes late to check into our freaking flights. And the bad news is that we got B, 45, and 46. But the good news is that I'm insane and upgraded our tickets, and now we are A5 and 6. Why am I like this? I just know that we're both gonna have suitcases, the overhead bins, it's gonna be so crowded. I don't know, it probably doesn't even matter at all, but this is just who I am, you know, and I get points on my built card, so I will justify it that way. What do we think? Business casual? You know what I'm saying? Business casual? I'm trying. My only corporate jobs have been at tech startup-y places, pretty much. There's been a couple in there, but we never had a dress code. Never wore something like this. Although I do remember going to a job interview and dressing with this shirt and like a dark navy pantsuit. It was very Hillary Clinton. This just isn't, it's not really natural to me. The rest of the day to get all my errands done, pack, etc. But I also got a couple packages in right before I started doing my self-tape, so let's just have a little moment of joy and see what we got. I don't really know what to use, so I'm just gonna use this gigantic bread knife. All right, this is from Skinfix. Never tried Skinfix before, but I'm very excited about it. I love skincare. I will try anything skincare related. Okay, got some samples of their foaming oil cleanser. Love it. What else are we working with? All right, we've got their Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Cream and the Barrier Plus Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream. Ooh, okay. So it looks like the Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream is lightweight. It's for oily, blemish, and acne-prone skin. Hydrates, soothes, and repairs the barrier. So my skin is really dry, so I don't know if this one is ideal for me. Oh, it's one of these. Okay, interesting. I might give that to my sister because she has oily skin and is always trying to try stuff. I think that the Triple Lipid Peptide Cream is more my style. It says it's a rich, nourishing cream for all skin types that repairs, increases ceramides, and plumps. I love a super thick moisturizer. Okay, so no fragrance, which is great. Ooh. It's thick. She's thick. Yeah, no fragrance. I like skincare without fragrance. I do use some things with fragrance, but usually I prefer without. Okay, love it. Thank you, Skin Fix. This is awesome. Next. All right, this one is from Public Spirit, and I hadn't heard of this brand at all, or like obviously tried anything, but they have a really sweet mission, and I absolutely love that. They donate 10% of profits to the causes that you care about most, but that's just the beginning. Whether you have just a minute or all the time in the world, we're here to help you figure out how to use it for good, period. Oh my God, Allie! I'm thrilled to share with you the Public Spirit line. We can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks for being part of our journey. Allie, founder and CEO. That is so sweet. I love a handwritten note. That's so nice. Oh my God, they gave me so much to try. This is a body wash. It's bergamot, muguet. Bergamot, muguet, and cedarwood. I love cedarwood. Oh my God, yes, absolutely. Hand soap. It's cardamom, violet, and sandalwood. I love sandalwood. I love woody, musky, manly smells. Ooh. This is very feminine. I love it already. This is their body lotion. It has neroli, jasmine, and amberwood. Neroli and jasmine is the best fragrance combination ever. It just smells so clean and fresh, and I don't know, it's amazing. Thank you so much, Public Spirit. I'm so freaking excited. I think I'm gonna do a whole Instagram reel about these because I love their mission, I love the branding, I love how it smells. Let me try this body lotion. It smells so good. It smells very natural, but I don't know, it's like musky almost. I love musky smells. Wow, this is stunning. I will say, if you're trying to get into the content creation kind of thing, you do get a lot of packages like this, and I would just encourage you to follow your heart and your belief system and like what you actually like and post about that, because a lot of this stuff, I mean, they send it to you. Like Public Spirit sent me this stuff and they have no expectation of me posting or anything. It's purely to try it and share it if I like it. And I think it just really opens the door to you trying new products and sharing new products, as that is kind of like what it is your job to do. But you don't have to share things that you get and you don't like or vibe with or that aren't for you. Like, just share what you like. You don't want to be that bitch that is always posting stuff that they've never tried. You know what I'm saying? You want to keep it real. Okay, we are back home from the mall, and I thought I would show you what I got from Abercrombie. I have this seamless, it's like a seamless t-shirt, and it's really tight, and you wear it and you tuck it into your jeans and it looks like a bodysuit, but it's not. And I had it in white, and so I just ordered it in black. Okay, I think I just got deodorant all over it. Yep, I did. Do you see that? Girl. But it's just a really tight t-shirt. I gotta get the deodorant off of this now, but it's good. It is time to pack. Basically, my plan is just to bring a bunch of different staples that I can mix and match together with a few outfit ideas kind of vaguely thrown in there, but it's mostly just basic things. And I think that this is key to packing, is to just have kind of like a little capsule wardrobe moment, and then you don't have to worry so much about what specific outfits you're wearing and all of that. So we have my basic white sneakers. These can go with a bunch of different outfits. They're actually disgusting, so I'm just gonna put them in a bag so they don't get dirt all over my suitcase. Normally I would put them in a shower cap, just like one of those disposable plastic ones, but I guess I ran out. I don't know, I can't find any. So I have a pair of baggy light wash jeans for the plane, little straight leg darker wash, and I'm a roller. I can just fit so many more clothes in here when I roll them. Princess Polly trousers. They're super loose, and you can actually really cash them up depending on the vibe I'm going for. And those are all the pants that I'm bringing. I'm wearing a trench onto the plane, and then I just have this suede jacket from Cut From The Cloth. This is pretty specific because there's a specific outfit I want to shoot while I'm there, but pretty much the only specific thing, and I still could pair it with other stuff if I wanted to. This is the white version of the black top that I just picked up from Abercrombie. I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with. I just know like it'll go with the jeans, it'll go with the trousers. It's just easy. A long sleeve option is quite simple. This is a sweater from Another Love Clothing. Super cute. I want to take a very fall stereotypical kind of picture in this, so I'm just bringing it. It's also nice and warm, and I'm imagining that it's going to be cold up there. Honestly, I've not even looked up the weather, just in case I don't want to sleep in like a random t-shirt or something. I'm bringing this Anthropologie set that my mom got me for my birthday. This is so cute, and then it comes with like matching thermal pants, and then I just do 12,000 pairs of underwear and 17 pairs of socks, and that's it. Oh, I also need to bring a swimsuit. One thing about us, we're gonna get in a jacuzzi. I stole this swimsuit from Will. Actually, this is like some weird dating / married to now photographer kind of thing, but he partnered with this swim brand called Slate Swim, and it had all these swimsuits for shoots, and I like this one, and so now it is mine. Shout out to Slate. It's so cute. It's like the perfect not showing your whole ass swimsuit, and I live for that. The sun is kind of going down, so I feel like it is starting to get safe to film my nighttime routine that I have to do before we leave. It's due on Wednesday, and it is currently Monday, and I actually don't even think that I can bring the products with me on the plane because I think it's too much liquid. It's the frickin' issue of the liquids. So I'm gonna see if I can film that. Stay tuned. Okay, I just finished filming. We did it. I currently have my microneedle eye patches on. These are the Karuna Age Rewind microneedle patches. It's what I was making the video about, and you can leave them on for 2 hours or even overnight, so I'm just gonna leave these bad boys on. But I've been really liking Karuna Skin stuff lately. I feel like I'm always kind of switching up my skincare. I'm not particular. As long as it doesn't make my skin even drier than it already is, we're good. I think the move right now is to make a little mini charcuterie board and watch a murder mystery. I feel like that's kind of the move. I also think it might be time for a little, you know, unwinding, if you will. I've been loving these Miss Grass. They're the Bloom and Play mini pre-rolls. They're like this big, which is great because I literally take like 2 hits. It's just like, I would say the equivalent to having a little glass of wine at the end of the night. Just a little unwind, you know, a little kombucha moment. Maybe not kombucha, but it's definitely like a glass of wine. And I want to talk about weedy stuff more online because I feel like people do not see it the same way that they see a glass of wine at the end of the night. And I really want to change that because it really is the exact same thing. If you live in California, you walk into the store and buy it just like you buy a bottle of wine. It's not a big deal at all, and it should not be considered a stigmatized thing or anything weird to smoke weed or to have edibles or whatever. So we're gonna unwind, we're gonna make a charcuterie board, we're gonna watch a murder mystery. I have been really into cable lately. We have a Spectrum login, we got a Spectrum plug, and I've been watching 20/20 on OWN, and it's actually really nice to watch something with commercials. Like you get the commercial break and go get a snack, you can go pee, you can go brush your teeth, like whatever you gotta do, you do it on commercials. Like I miss that. We need to watch more commercials. Also, I shot a commercial a couple months ago that's out now, and now I'm just like trying to see it. I haven't come across it organically yet. I did steal it from Facebook ad library, but it's supposed to be on like streaming and stuff, and I haven't seen it yet. It's really weird. If any of y'all see a Robinhood Gold commercial on streaming, can you please tell me what you were watching and what streaming app you saw it on, because I want to see that commercial on TV. I feel like it'd be cool. I don't know. But I will end the vlog for the night here, and I will catch up with you in the morning when we are going to the airport. Yay area. Good night. We made it. It's actually not that cold. I'm very happy about it. How are you feeling? We also got my mom a little gift.
she loves it, but she's gonna say, oh my gosh, I don't need this.
But she needs it. The time has come to solve a murder. Will and I do these all the time at home. They're so much fun. You can get them at Target. It's like an escape room, but it's a murder.
And now we're gonna do one with a third person. Let's see how it works out.
Sometimes it's hard to do this with 2 people. So we'll see how it goes with a third. This is our victim. Rest in peace. I'm about to go to Target with my mom. We're gonna go pick up some stuff for Thanksgiving. And I also am getting my hair cut today. So I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, it's looking pretty rough. Don't worry. Yeah, those are gonna be gone later today. So it's very exciting. We're also doing my birthday dinner. By the way, if you're wondering how the murder mystery went last night, we cheated. We could not figure out the ending, and so we just looked. It's a very, very hard one. And then even after we got the answer, I was like, there's no way that I could have figured that out. Like, it just didn't really make that much sense. I don't know. I've never not been able to solve one of those. Oh, jeez, y'all. Y'all didn't tell me I had food in my teeth. Y'all just let me come on here looking like a goddamn fool. Okay, we gotta run a brush through the hair, but let me give you a little outfit of the day. All right, so I got my Zara jacket on, my Zara trench. This little seamless tee is from Abercrombie. My Princess Polly trousers. I put on my white Converse, but I might switch to black. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Also, I forget if I even told you guys this, but the last time that we were up here, I accidentally left my wedding ring. So I'm wearing that today, and also these 2 Pandora rings that my mom got me in Austria. Thanks, Mommy. But this is the look. What do we think? I kind of feel like Gene Wilder in Young Frankenstein when they're doing the little performance at the end. Why don't you go where fashion sits? Okay, let's go. I forgot to film before we ate, but I'm very full now. I got my hair cut. We're at dinner. Why are you talking like that?
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's like basically what
This is her
people
blogger
say.
voice.
Hey guys,
No, here's how it is.
it's been a tough
Hey guys, so I've been really busy today, and I got my hair cut, and now we are at Kincaid's.
She got a bang.
I told them I got a bob, it was a lie. Ooh. Ooh. Happy birthday to you.
So you're gonna vlog.
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm back in my green top. This is what I wear literally every freaking day of my life, as you know, and I'm about to make some mashed potatoes, and then we're gonna eat.